Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to screencast iPhone to LG Smart TV. If you want to screen share your iPhone or iPad to your LG Smart 4K TV, you can easily do that via screen mirroring or AirPlay. Let's go over how to screencast on an LG TV running on WebOS. Before we go further, check out the link in the description to try NordVPN for a great price. Perfect for streaming safely and privately on any device. First, open AirPlay on the TV. From the home screen, scroll down to the home dashboard where you should find the AirPlay option. You can also access it by entering the home dashboard. There should be an AirPlay option there as well. Now, go ahead and select AirPlay to open it. Then, grab your iPhone or iPad and ensure it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. Next, open the control center on your phone and look for the screen mirroring icon, which looks like a pair of overlapping rectangles. If you don't see this icon, go into your phone settings, scroll down to Control Center, and under More Controls, find Screen Mirroring. Tap the plus icon next to it to add it to the Control Center. Once that's done, open the Control Center again and tap on the screen mirroring icon. Your LG WebOS TV should appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it and then enter the code that appears on your LG Smart TV screen. Tap OK, and just like that, your iPhone screen will be mirrored on your LG Smart TV. The same process works for mirroring an iPad screen as well. When you're ready to stop screen mirroring, simply open the Control Center again, tap on the screen mirroring icon and select Stop Mirroring. That's how you can enjoy the content from your iPhone right on the big screen of your LG TV using screen mirroring or AirPlay. And if you want to stream content securely, especially when traveling or using public networks, NordVPN is a great tool to have. It keeps your connection private and gives you access to your favorite content wherever you are. Don't forget to check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.